Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter. It's good name transport. See student, children let us try an experiment. Choose a friend's house, park, shop or school that is 1 kilometer away from your home. On the first day, walk to your chosen place. On the second day, ride to it on your bicycle. On the third day, take an automobile. While doing this, always take your school bag with you. Use the same route for all three journeys. Now note down the following. The time taken for each journey on each of the 3 days. Which journey took a longest time and which took the shortest time? On which journey did you have to carry your own things? Which was the most comfortable journey? On which journey did you have to use fuel? On which journey were you most bothered by smoke and noise? From your answer, you will see that walking take the most time and you have to put in labor to carry your own things. Using a vehicles save time and effort. You must have also realized that we need to use fuels in automobiles. This causes air and noise pollution. It means that different mode of transport have different advantages and disadvantages. In today's high speed world, we have to depend on several modes of travel and transportation of goods. Modern means of transport have many advantages. Work get done, no time and effort are saved, trade is facilitated, different parts of the world are now connected due to transport facilities. The transport of goods, even on a global level, has become simple and easy. As so many things are easily available, the lifestyle of people has improved. The facilities of tourism, health, education, etc. have become speeder. Due to the various means of transportation, the world has come closer. See, study the pictures and note the answers to the following. Where lives the children stopped? Where have two children stopped? Why have they stopped there? What are the children doing? What is troubling them? State the difference between the plants closer to the road and those far away from the road. Based on the following points: freshness of leaves, colors of leaves, appearance of plant. From the observation above, you must have realized that there is constant traffic on busy road. Due to the burning of fuel in the vehicles, they constantly emit smokes and some poisonous gases. These gases mainly include carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur dioxide. Similarly, minute particles of carbon and leads are also realized into the air. An excess of this substance lowers the quality of air in the environment. This is what is called air pollution. Air pollution affects animals and plant in the following ways. See, trachea, lung and eye disorders, example burning of the eyes. The leaves of plant shrivel up and fall. Sprouts and scorched, the growth and development of plant is affected adversely. Constant traffic through forest areas can harm to habitat of plants and animals living there. The wild animals in these forests being to migrate elsewhere. The constant sounds of vehicle created noise on a large scale.